Most people believe that the key to changing their life is more willpower. They think that if they could just be more disciplined, more motivated, or more strong-willed, they would finally stick to their habits and reach their goals. But willpower is a finite resource. It is like a phone battery that drains throughout the day as you make decisions and resist temptations. If you rely on willpower to stay on track, you are guaranteed to fail the moment you get tired, stressed, or hungry. The most successful people don't have more willpower than you. They simply design better environments. They understand that your surroundings are the silent architect of your behavior. This is called environmental design, and it is the secret to making success inevitable rather than a constant struggle. Think about your current environment. Is it designed to help you win, or is it working against you? If you want to eat healthier but your kitchen is filled with junk food, you're forcing yourself to use willpower every single time you feel a craving. Eventually, you will lose. But if you remove the junk food and place a bowl of fruit on the counter, you have redesigned your environment to make the healthy choice the easy choice. This is the path of least resistance. Human beings are naturally wired to take the easiest route possible. If you want to build a new habit, you must decrease the friction associated with a good behavior and increase the friction associated with a bad behavior. Consider your workspace. If your phone is sitting right next to your computer with notifications turned on, you are inviting a constant stream of distractions. You aren't bad at focusing. You are simply in an environment that makes focus impossible. By placing your phone in another room and using a website blocker, you are using environmental design to protect your attention. You are making the distraction difficult and the work easy. This is how you win the long game. You stop fighting yourself and start building a world that supports the person you want to become. You move from the gap of constant struggle to the gain of effortless momentum. In the world of habit formation, we call this choice architecture. You are the architect of your own life. You can choose to design a bedroom that is optimized for sleep, a kitchen that is optimized for nutrition, and a desk that is optimized for deep work. When your environment is aligned with your identity, you don't need to try to be disciplined. You simply act in accordance with the world you have built for yourself. This is the true power of systems over goals. A goal is a result you want to achieve in the future. A system is the environment you live in today. To start your own environmental design, pick one area of your life where you feel stuck. Don't try to change your mindset. Change your surroundings. If you want to read more, put a book on your pillow every morning. If you want to drink more water, put a bottle on your desk before you start work. Small, physical changes in your environment lead to massive shifts in your long-term results through the power of compounding. You are the product of your environment, so choose to be the architect of it. Look around the room you are in right now. What is one thing you can change in the next 60 seconds that will make your most important habit easier to do? Do it now. Don't wait. Speed of implementation is the key to lasting change. Comment below and tell me how you are redesigning your space today. Let's build a world where failure is difficult and success is the only option. And if you're ready to stop fighting your environment and start mastering it, hit the subscribe button. We are just getting started on building the systems of your future.